In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice on Shopify. First, start by signing in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, customers, and of course, orders. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one, so that the invoices you generate match the right business. To print invoices, we're going to use a free app called MS Order Invoice Generator. Open the Shopify App Store in a new tab and search for this app by name. Once you've found it, click to add it to your store and follow the prompts to install. The app is free and it's designed specifically to generate professional-looking invoices from your existing order data, which saves you from having to format everything manually. After the app is installed, go back to your Shopify dashboard and head to the Orders section from the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Find the specific order you want to generate an invoice for and click on it to open the Order Details page. It helps to double-check that this is the correct order by verifying the customer's name, order number, and items purchased. On the Order Details page, look for the Print option. This is usually located near the top right of the screen or in an overflow menu, depending on your layout. Click on Print, and instead of using the browser's default print dialog, you'll now see options that include the MS Order Printers integration. From this list, choose MS Order Printers. The app will load and ask you what type of document you want to generate for this order. Here, select Invoice. This tells the app to pull in all relevant billing and order details into an invoice format, including line items, quantities, prices, and totals. Once you've selected Invoice, click on Continue to Print. The app will prepare the document and open a preview. Take a moment to review the invoice layout, making sure that your store information, customer details, and totals are correct and clearly displayed. When your browser's download or print window appears, click on Save. This will download the invoice as a file to your device, typically as a PDF. After it is finished downloading, you can open it from your device and print it using your regular printer settings, or email it directly to your customer if needed. And that's all you need to do to print an invoice on Shopify using the MS Order Invoice Generator app.